Hello friends, I am Aryan and today in this video I am gonna be showing you one trick by which you can use fidget spinner with your phone and you can save your $1 or 99 cents to buy a fidget spinner. So friends, I am Aryan and you are watching my channel The Aryan Shaw. So let's get started. So friends, for this trick you have to go to Google shortcut and search on Google fidget spinner. Fidget spinner. Then you have to scroll a little bit down. Here, switch to standard version. Yeah, your connection should be fast or else Google optimizes your connection. Then here you get two types of fidget spinner, one of number. If you want to choose any random numbers, then one is fidget spinner. If you click on spin, you can spin this fidget spinner easily and your money will be saved. The second thing is you can go to Chrome browser. Then you can search here. Fidget spinner. Here it is easy to move in the fidget spinner. First it will load and ready up. Then we are gonna spin it. Yeah, you can see it is awesome, and by this trick your some money will be saved, like 60 rupees. In rupees it is 60 type, and something $1, $1.50 it will be saved. So friends, I hope that you have loved watching this video, and if you have loved watching this video then please like this video to show some support to my efforts and subscribe to the channel to have more videos like this every single day. And now thanks a lot for watching. See you soon in the next video. Till then, have a nice time. Goodbye.
Ain't nothing about you like Randy. The chopper go out to the granny. This nigga pull up your panty.